Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yonan and today we're gonna unbox the our generation, the cozy cabin, and I'm so excited about it. And yeah, so I'm gonna unbox it with different room today. So if you're interested to see what is good inside, just keep on watching. Hello back again, and I'm so sorry you guys. I make voiceover because I'm in a different room to unbox this box because there's echo in the room and the air condition it's so loud. So yeah, so I have to make a voiceover. Anyways, I so happy to have this cozy cabin from our generation. It's a dream to me to have it, and I finally have it. I bought this from Amazon, and I'm so happy. So let me just unbox it off camera, and I will be back to you guys. Okay, I just struggling when I with the light and stuff because I'm not in my room, and there's a only small two ring light, and when I open it, just everything is fine, everything is perfect. However, there's a little bit of damage in the roof, as you see here and there. Obviously someone put something heavy on it in the top, but I don't mind it. There's nothing major damage on it. It's a dusty a little bit. I'm gonna clean that, of course, but everything it's here is everything is fine, and nothing loose or something, which is fine, and everything the set is perfectly fine. And I love this fireplace. It's work, which is great. I like it a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it and open all of this setup, and yeah, so just take a look. If everything's fine, yeah, everything is perfect. So let me open all of that off camera and I will be back to you. Okay, I remove all the accessories to show you the cabin. First of all, we have this little booklet here to show you everything what including in this cozy cabin. And as you see, there's pictures of the ski and stuff, but it is not include this cabin. This is the window and the roof. This is, ignore this sticker, it's so annoying. And yeah, so this is how the dolls fit inside of this cozy cabin, and all of the details. I love that. So yeah, this is how what inside include the stuff, and yeah, I like that. So let's get into it and just show you the cozy cabin. And please just excuse me for the shaky camera and stuff. Yeah, so the cabin, it's so realistic, and I love this brick and this wood. It's plastic, all of this plastic, of course. Have like a details holes here with a heart and diamond shape. Have two shelves and the stove. I love this details. The break broke or something, and the stove itself have a light when you turn this keys of the stove. As you see, the heart, it's just lighting, and even the these eyes of the stove. I don't know what the call is that, but it's work. Uh, and this is the oven, and pretty nice oven. I don't know if this another oven or like a storage thing, a place. And yeah, I really love that. And we have the sink with the faucet here. It's work. uh, so yeah, as you see, it's wide and really nice. It's just like it give you a marble look. And this is a storage area. You can put the plate or anything like knives and stuff. um, with this curtain, I love this curtain, I love this detailed. This is the fridge, and the island here, you can put a lot of things on it. And this is the fridge, but unfortunately my glass, this area is just open, as you see. So it is not broke, but it's loose, so I'm gonna glue it later. Yeah, and this is the residue of the glue. I'm gonna remove it later. It is not a big problem. And this is the fridge from inside. You can see this holder. It's just removable. You can remove it. The shelves is not removable, which is nice. It's okay. And yeah, this the ski part, a place, but I'm gonna keep it as like a cloth hanger or something. And this is a big window, actually, so beautiful. And I'm plan in the future to do like a curtain to make the house more cozier. And this is the fireplace. You can put the play set or play mood, I mean, so keep the fire, keep it fire longer. And this is the details of the window. I love it so much. It's a really big window, two windows, and I quite like it so much. This is the bed area. It's a little bit small, but it's okay enough for one doll. And this is two windows, like this circle window and the open in the roof to just take the doll out, in and out. And this is the outside look of the cabin. I love these details so much. Okay, this is the side of the cozy cabin, and as you see the details here, there's a snow and melting snow. And I love all the details, like broke with the windows opened. The only one complaining, it's a heart shape, but I don't mind it. It's not a big deal. Yeah, but other than that, everything is fine. Everything is beautiful. Ignore this. This is a dirt. And I love this snow, melting snow. And this is the top of the roof and the open in the roof. This is the back side of the cozy cabin, and as you see the windows, it's so nice. And yeah, this is the damage area that I have the damage here in the roof. It is not a really big deal, but it's okay. I don't mind that. But again, a big window, which is plus. A lot of details here. The wood looks really realistic, and easy to customize this cabin, and you make your own touch. This is the last side I'm gonna show you. This is the chimney, uh, and the ice. It's so soft, so beautiful, and I love this area a lot. You can put a lot of plants or even customize it with like a curtain or something. That's what I'm gonna do it in, like in the future. I'm gonna do that to make it more cozier and some privacy. Okay, I'm gonna show you the big accessories come with this cozy cabin. We have this like a cushiony chair. It's so soft and it's all like a cushion, but it's okay, big enough to fit my BGDs, my MSD BGDs, and came with this pillow, which is great. And you can just put the tag underneath to hide it. And yeah, I love this. I love the color come together. It looks realistic to me and really nice. And this should be a mattress or blanket. It is a thin, like a piece of fabric. We have the details of activity, ski people, something. And this should be in the top because it is for the bed in the top, and including this really soft pillow. It's matching with the mattress. Okay, time to the instruction that show you everything, how it's everything it's work, like this fireplace, and how to put it like time try me or play mode, or even off. And there's a 3 batteries included. Yeah, this is really helpful. Yeah, you can pause and read all of that. And now to the sit. And this is like a tray, a table kind of thing. It's plastic, whole plastic, and I like it. And there is also this like a basket. I don't know what they calls that, but it's a plastic to hold the wood. And yeah, it's really nice touch to make the like realistic look for the cozy cabin. And we have this pot, a cooking pot, with I think it's a soup inside, tomato soup or something, with a lid. I love this. We have like milk here, a gallon of milk. Gonna put it in the fridge. And this, a tea kettle or maybe a coffee kettle, and I was struggling to open this lid. I don't know if like made to open or not, but I open it in the end of the day. We also have this pan with a lid, and look at these details, you guys. It's so great. I like it. We have like frying eggs and some toothpiece of baking. Looks delicious. And we have this cup with three trees. It's a big cup, like for MSDs, but work for SD, I think. and a pineapple juice. I'm wondering why pineapple juice have like a red color. But anyways, the lid's not open. We have this ball, it's pink one or cinnamon color, and a butter with a lid. The butter's not removable, but that's okay. We have also this spatula to like cook the eggs, and this spoon for the soup, and this like I don't know the fork or some, but have like a marshmallow with a chocolate and biscuit, and when I remove it I found it just the color of it just removed. We have this dish, one single dish, and this utensils like knife, spoon, and fork. Great. And that's it for the set. I'm gonna set up all of these things and I will be back. This is like very quick how I set up this cozy cabin, and yeah, I love everything. Everything is fine and neat and looks really good and realistic. And yeah, this is the pan with eggs, and this the soup, the dish, and everything is set up. That lamp I add from Daiso, yeah, to give some like light. And this is the roof. I show you everything here. It's really good. Have a lot of space for the dolls when you play with them, and yeah, I quite like it. And this is the fridge. Inside there is some butter, milk, and juice. The ball inside of the shelves. Everything is fine and neat. So time to see some dolls inside of this cabin and show you like comparison and stuff. And yeah, keep on watching. I have a bunch of dolls with different sizes to show you the comparison with different dolls. Okay, let's start with a bigger doll, which is, of course, 18-inch doll, which is um, our generation doll. As you see, side to side with cozy cabin, our generation cozy cabin. Yeah, she's big. She's a big girl. Let me put her inside. So this is the doll, our generation inside of this cozy cabin, and she's a huge doll. She's a huge compared to this, and this is made for them. But I really understand this for the small hands, for the children when they play. This is absolutely nice size. If you're wondering how she's in the bed, this is her. And yeah, this is okay. And actually, this cabin fit two dolls, like same size. And this is the main dolls that I want this cabin for, which is my BGDs, all my ball jointed doll. This doll it's 40 45.5, I think, centimeter, and this one, the small one, it's at 33 centimeters. And as you see, they should be the mother and the daughter, and this is the difference between them to the cabin. For this small one, it's a perfect size. The bigger one, it's a little bit tall. Let me put them inside very quick. This is how they look like inside. Yeah, for this doll, she's a little bit tall for this cabin, but when you take pictures from like different angles, it's perfectly fine. With this little girl, it's perfect size for her. I love her with all of this setup and this, but I like it, and I love the angle when you take pictures with them. This is the doll when she lay down in the bed. She take out the whole place actually. And this is the little doll here. It's, as I mentioned, perfect size, and I like it. And definitely I'm gonna take pictures with them, and I think it's fit more than doll inside, so let's find out later. We have here 14 inches Ruberit fashion, and 12 inches, I think, the Sibley's, and they fit really, really, really good, especially this one, and this one too. Like, I love the size of them. They can share the bed together, as you see. That's really, really good, and I love the size of them together in this cozy cabin. Love that. This is 27.8 Bettina from MU, BGD doll, and this Barbie in mid to move tall body, and of course she wearing high heel boots, so a little bit taller than the regular. As you see the comparison between them, the cabin is perfect for them, but of course the accessories, it's a big scale for them, so yeah. This is how they look like when they sit in the chair. It's a little bit big, but I don't mind it. And when they lay down in the bed, this is the size comparison. And I like the size, it's so realistic to them. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more about these dolls pictures, like this one, and even like this one, you can easily follow me on Instagram at Yunan_dolls, or even here on YouTube at Yunan's Dolls. And I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below in comment section, and I hope see you next week, and I hope you have a wonderful holidays, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.